Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video, my beautiful friends. I am about an hour and 20 minutes away from taking my road trip up to see my girlfriend. Yes, I said it. I have a girlfriend, my friends. I didn't think it was gonna happen either, but it did. Who can put up with my butt? I don't know, but someone is. So, pretty happy about that. Going up to Tennessee. Just to stay with her family, meet her family. So it should be fun. Anyways, you guys didn't come for some lovey-dovey story. You guys came here to make some money. And that's what we're about to get into. Making money. We're tracing back down to the 1125 levels, which are perfect. It's good to see. It's exactly what we've been looking to see ever since we saw this selling pressure up at these 1250s. Okay. What we're going to want to see here is we want to see at these 1112s, we don't want to see it drop below that. And if it does drop below that, then we will be heading back down to these 1062s, okay, and testing the 10 levels, all right? But what we would like to see, the most ideal price action to happen right here is this candle come up, close above this 1136, and then push higher, closing above this 1168, moving it back up with strong buying pressure. However, we have seen some selling pressure, so we very well could go back down and test these 10 levels, which is completely fine. It's completely fine. Now it is going to take some selling pressure to get through these 11 levels. However, if we do that, we'll be testing the 10s, and my friends, everything is looking fine. This is a simple consolidation. There's nothing to worry about. It's just another day in the markets. So subscribe, because if something does happen, something big, kind of like crazy, I was going to say catastrophic, but nothing catastrophic is going to happen. This is a beautiful coin. The hype is absolutely insane. The volume is tiny. It's literally smaller than what it was back here, and the only reason is because the market is in the downtrend. Whenever we see this volume get picked back up to this, oh my, we're going to the moon. Like, it's actually going to spike so hard. It's going to be crazy. It's going to spike like this. And that's when you want to be in. Right now is when you want to start averaging in. This is all really good opportunity. All right, I'm just going to circle what is good opportunity to average in real quick. So you can make a good 5x in the future. All right, you ready? I'm going to circle it. You ready? Oh my goodness, just like we've been saying. Oh my god, wait, that's not all? What are you doing? Crypto Billionaire 69, you're crazy. Oh my gosh, Crypto Billionaire 69. Holy crap. Yes, this is all good points to average in. All good points if you're holding for months to come, okay? We're going to be in hefty profits here soon. No doubt in my mind, and my beautiful friends, guys, it's just a beautiful time to start averaging in, especially if you have not already, or if you're looking to add more bags. Right now is the time to do it. This is not financial advice, simple opinion from a crypto billionaire. However, if you want to not listen to Crypto Billionaire 69 and do this on your own, check out the course. It's 50% off, and it provides immense value, which will allow you to read these charts by yourself just by taking a glance. You'll be able to know when to get in, when to get out, how to get in, how to get out, all the indicators you need to make money in these markets consistently. So check it out. Check it out. Check it out. If you guys don't know about me, I am 19 years old now, but I started trading crypto when I was 18 years old, broke, working at 2 jobs, and one of them was at McDonald's. And that was not a joke. That is not a joke. And it's crazy looking back at how far it's come, because from that I went to making 5 figures a month with trading cryptocurrency, and I did all that just so I can put it in this course to give to you guys. And for a Christmas special, my beautiful friends, don't pass up on this life-changing opportunity. If you don't have the money, email me, please. mycryptomoves.com. If you want this course, but you simply just can't afford it, I understand, guys. I understand. It's Christmas time, all right? I'm willing to bust out some deals for you beautiful people that are willing to learn. I just want to make a change in your life in a positive way. I want us all to be freaking rich, and it's going to happen. And there's nothing stopping it but our own minds. It's literally our own minds in the way. Anyways, it's 7:48 in the morning. I'm busting out motivational speeches. You know why? Because I freaking love you guys. And I love the opportunities we are presented in these markets. Now, I could waste my time going over recent news. Could waste my time going over the really 5-minute in-depth technical analysis. But in the long term, who gives a crap? The news today doesn't matter. The 5-minute technical analysis doesn't matter. We are not day trading. And quite frankly, I need to go pack up my car for this road trip, okay, my friends. So, Crypto Billionaire 69, I freaking love you guys. But on a serious note, we're looking great, okay? We are looking great. Let me just rearrange this. Swing low, swing high. In the overall move, we are looking beautiful. Came up, touched the 0.5 level. We are consolidating above this 0.6. And we should see a spike through this 0.5 here in no time, okay? Right now is a great buying opportunity if you have not gotten already. If you guys aren't going to listen, I don't know what else to say. Crypto Billionaire 69, have a beautiful day.